Today's date is the 16th of July 2026. Now what that means is it's been a whole year since I put some silver in my pond in my garden. So you can see here, this is a members only video I did for the 365 Club members of my YouTube channel. And that was actually uploaded on 16th of July 2025. And I'm going to show you a little bit of the video because many of you wouldn't have seen this video because this was a video that I just did for the members on this channel. But I basically made a little contraption where I could put a 1 ounce silver Britannia into it and lower it into my pond and be able to pull it back out without losing it. If we fast forward a little bit, you can see me lowering it into the pond there. Now I did a video a little while back trying to have a sneak peek at how the coin looked. I sent a little camera down, an underwater camera, but we couldn't see. It was so dark and couldn't get any footage. Now you can see there, the string is attached to a stake in the ground. But yeah, today we're going to go and we're going to pull that coin out of the pond. But first of all, pause the video right now and let me know in the comments section, what do you think the coin's going to look like? How do you think a silver coin is going to hold up being in a garden pond for an entire year? But let's get straight into it and let's go and pull it out of the pond. It is pretty much full to the brim of pure sludge. Absolutely stinks as well. Oh my gosh, that is filthy. Right, and let's cut these cable ties away and then we can have a look at how this coin looks after being submerged in a pond for an entire year. Oh, look at the state of that. Absolutely stinks as well. Oh. Oh my god, that is just a wad of gunk. That's going to be a mixture of fish poo and everything. Right, okay. I didn't think this through. I should have put some gloves on probably, but I can see the coin. Oh, this is filthy. Oh. Oh. That is covered in gunk. Wow, okay. I did not expect it to look so dirty. I've actually got Some water here to rinse it down. It's actually turned out worse than those coins that I left in cleaning dip for a whole year. You can't see anything on it hardly. Right, I'm going to take this inside and then we can give it a bit of a better clean. Oh, let me just show you it in the daylight a little bit better. Now this coin is completely destroyed. You can barely make out that it was even once upon a time a Britannia. You can see it says Britannia around the top there, 2025. You can just about make it out. It says fine silver. So I'm guessing the reason it's gone like this is the sulphur from the fish poo, I'm guessing, has done it to the coin. Oh look, if we wipe the water off that's sitting on it, it's actually got more detail than you think. Let me just dry it down. So it's actually got more detail than you think. Let's dry it down. Wow, look at that. It's going a completely different colour now. Now that it's getting dry, it's going almost a matte colour. And look, you can actually make it out now what it is. So this Britannia is actually made from shipwrecked silver. So just when this silver thought it had come out of being in water for hundreds or thousands of years, it had been submerged again for another final year. But now that it's dried, now that it's actually dried off, it's actually gone a really kind of matte looking colour. It's actually quite smooth to the touch as well. Definitely lost all of the shine. There's no more shine on this coin. The hologram, the security feature doesn't work anymore. But yeah, let me know in the comment section, is that what you expected it to look like? But yeah, that's what happens if you put a silver coin into a pond for an entire year. I wouldn't advise doing this at home. Leave these stupid and silly experiments to me. Let me do them. Keep your coins in your capsules, in your safe. But yeah, thanks so much for watching. A year in the making this video was, so please like and hype the video if you found it interesting. And I will see you in the next video.
Your silver should not be rattling around in a drawer. This premium storage box is built for collectors and stackers who want their coins protected, organized, and ready to present properly. It holds 32 1-ounce silver coins in 39mm capsules, making it ideal for silver Britannias and other 39mm silver coins or rounds. Inside, the foam-lined lid helps keep everything secure during storage or transport. while the secure dual latch closure keeps everything firmly in place. With subtle 365 branding on the front, protect your silver properly. Link in description if you want one.